Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the iCoverSkin on the new Galaxy S5. Okay, we're going to start with the back of your Galaxy. So we clean the Galaxy, the surface, for any dirt or grease on your phone. Very important. So now we're going to take the phone. I'm going to start here facing to the camera to me, and then remove the skin from the liner. Okay, we remove the skin from the liner. We're gonna line the camera and the bottom part hole under the camera, and then you're gonna do it here with the speaker as well. So you're gonna try to align these three pieces on the back of your Galaxy. Perfect. Let me see, I'm just a little short. There you go. So as soon as I have it, all the pieces on one side, and I make sure I am correct, perfect, with my bottom connector. So I'm gonna start apply pressure on the center, just on the center. And now you're gonna start pressure here on the sides of the camera. Perfect. You see, like sometimes you need heat for this part of the camera. So we're gonna apply heat now here on the camera itself. Perfect, just to give you the shape of the camera, 3D shape. Okay, good. Perfect. So you with the fingers, you use fingers to use that. Good. Now I'm gonna do the corners. Okay, so this product, so you need for this corners, oh, is my phone ringing here? Let me turn it off. Perfect. So here for the corners, we just need again applied heat. So in this case, we're gonna apply heat for one side. There you go. Perfect. Then we're gonna use the other side. Perfect. So we're doing it, and then we're gonna finish with the bottom part. Okay, we need more heat here. Perfect. And we finish. So now if you see that some parts are getting rise from the phone, you just need to apply like a regular blower, and then it's gonna remove any wrinkles in that part. This is how you install the Galaxy S5 skin. So now for the front, oh, we're missing the camera here. So for the camera, we're gonna use the camera, and we're gonna use one of the corners of your liner just to stick it on it and to align it with the camera. Let me do it again. Perfect. Then you align the camera with your phone. Good. Perfect. And now your camera is complete. Okay, so we're gonna do it the front. So for the front, you can start removing the liner here on the bottom, on the top, I'm sorry. You can do it here on the top. So we clean the surface of your, let me turn it off, or let me turn it on. Okay, and then we're just gonna do the top first. So you align the top first. You can remove it smoothly. Yes, sir, better alignment. Perfect. We have to move it a little bit to the left side. There you go. Perfect. And then we're gonna take carefully the bottom side So you just apply pressure on the top, then you go with the bottom side, align with the button on the bottom side here. There you go. Perfect. Then you're gonna start with the size. Good. You just align the sides a little bit smoother. Perfect. And apply pressure later. Good. So you see, this is the installation, and then you're gonna use one of the buttons skins for your product. Perfect. Okay, so this is the installation for the Galaxy S5 by iCoverSkin. For more information, visit us at iCoverSkin.com.